Demystifying your HVAC, unwanted cold air.
Hello and welcome to today's HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning troubleshooting guide. Today, we will be tackling a common problem that many homeowners face: cold air coming from the vents when it's not supposed to. It can be a sign of issues with your HVAC system, but don't worry, it's usually something that can be easily fixed.
Is your thermostat set correctly?
The first thing to check is your thermostat settings. Is it set to cool instead of heat by any chance? It might seem obvious, but sometimes the simplest explanation is the correct one. You might also want to check if it's set to auto instead of on. When set to on, the fan can keep running even when the heat is off, blowing cold air into your home.
Could it be a problem with your air ducts?
If your thermostat is set correctly, you might want to consider whether there could be a problem with your air ducts. Ducts with leaks or poor insulation can let cold air in and reduce the efficiency of your heating system. Inspect the visible parts of your air ducts for any visible signs of damage or leaks.
Is it an issue with your HVAC system?
If neither the thermostat nor the air ducts seem to be the problem, then the issue might be with your HVAC system itself. Some possible problems could be a malfunctioning heat pump, a dirty air filter, or a faulty furnace. For any of these, it's best to contact a professional HVAC technician to inspect your system and make any necessary repairs. I hope this video has been helpful in troubleshooting why you might be getting cold air from your vents. Remember, regular maintenance of your HVAC system can prevent many of these issues from happening. Stay warm, and see you in the next video.